Well, this is disappointing. I've been making diamond painting kits since 2021, and here I am selecting symbols for a diamond painting that I'm working on. And this is another diamond painting that I've created, and I am working on the symbols on this one. This is more of a beginner kit. So this is this software I use to render images into diamond paintings. This particular one is an old masters, and this has been taken a while. I kind of set it to the side for a little bit. But here I am looking to see if I can decrease some of the colors. Some colors are so close in similarity that I can actually make two colors, eliminate one color and just make it the similar color. Sometimes I can't do that because you need that for the shading. So that's what I'm doing here, is just deciding if I can eliminate a color or if I should not eliminate a color. This next piece of information that someone shared with good intentions says that diamond paintings can only be made in China because that's where the patent is. I went to the patent office website and I could not find anything stating that, and there were some patents that were filed and were never actually processed. The person seeking the patent dropped the ball. Okay, so now here I have a poster board and I have written out numbers 1 through whatever. So as I fill the drills, as I pack the drills, I can lay them down on the number corresponding with their sequence. And if I've missed a pack of drills, I can physically see that I've missed a pack of drills. So I find that helpful. After I render the images into diamond paintings, I send the files to a printer here in the US. I do have to outsource my printing. And this is Flaming June that you're just going to get a glimpse of in the library, and Young Girl Reading. So my camera is actually flipped. So Young Girl Reading, the woman is actually on the right side of the canvas, not the left. Isn't she gorgeous? And of course, old masters are in the public domain. This is in the library. Again, my camera has flipped the image. This is one of my most popular diamond paintings in the library, in the fitting. Young Girl Reading, Flaming June, top favorites. And this is the fitting. Again, the image is flipped because my camera is flipped. This is the fitting, and these old masters have been on my website since late 2020, and I started doing them myself in early 2021. So the first few handfuls of the fittings that I sold were actually done in China, but I do them myself now. And here are the most recent images that I received from my printer. And of course, one of them is the fitting. And that's a Halloween one that's been incredibly popular. And these are original images. I don't have stolen artwork on my website. And we have Glistening Solitude, which is a winter log cabin scene in a snow globe with like a crystal cut on it. And then here is the fitting, and that is the way the image is supposed to be, because this, my camera has not flipped the image, because I guess I figured out how to do it right. I am prepping Miss Ginger Clever Fox. This is canvas, and I am putting artist tape around the edges. And now there is the glue, adhesive poured glue, as it's referred to. And here I am going around the edges because I want to make sure that I don't leave any spots around the edges without glue. And then I spread it out evenly, so I go back and forth several times, and I do 2 or 3 layers of the glue. And here is a sped up video of me working on Sympathy. Sympathy is another image I've had on and off my website since 2021, early 2021. The old masters are the favorites. And I'm putting adhesive on there. And I'm going to spread it out. Spread it out till it's even. Let it dry. And then I can put a cover on it, put the drills with it, pack it up, ship it out to the customer. Yes, there are companies that make diamond painting kits in the United States, and we are buried in Google under companies from China that pay for top billing.